Kashi comes from the root word meaning light. An inner light comes in. It is not just the physical space of Kashi. You can reach Kashi sitting at your home also if you're that capable. But it is only by his permission. He is the one who will test you whether you are fit to reach there or you're not fit to reach there. He is a deity of absolute liberation. And that's how I advise people that first thing you do is that you visit Kashi, you visit Kalabhairava. Once you visit Kalabhairava, you take his permission, you take his blessings, then you do whatever else you have to do, etc. And the last deity to visit should be Kashi Vishwanath.
अच्छा.
Vishwanath is the king. Lord
Okay.
Vishwanath is the king. So after that, आपका काशी यात्रा संपूर्ण हो गया. Once you reach Vishwanath, end. But how will you reach Vishwanath? He is very subtle. It is Bhairava who teaches you how to reach Vishwanath. It is him only. It is Vishwanath only who becomes Bhairava and settles down and teaches the path. It's his peculiar kindness that from his exalted domain he comes down here and he teaches people how one should go ahead and do the sadhana and reach him